Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming basics: an active carrier voicemail plan and a network signal. Open the phone app on your Pixel 9a and tap the voicemail tab, or dial your carrier's voicemail number if the tab is empty. Once done, follow any carrier prompts to set an initial PIN and greeting. This establishes secure access and a personal message. Make sure you write down the PIN temporarily so you don't get locked out during setup. Next, configure visual voicemail for easy access. In Settings App's Phone, grant microphone, notifications, and contacts permissions so greetings and caller info work. Then open voicemail and choose Setup or Change PIN. Pick a 4-6-digit code you can remember. Record a short, clear greeting. This improves caller experience and helps filters. If your carrier supports visual voicemail, enable it in phone app settings so messages show as a list instead of only audio. Finish by testing. Call your number from another phone, leave a message, then open voicemail to confirm it appears and plays. Make sure notifications and transcription, if available, are set the way you want. If messages don't arrive, restart your Pixel 9a, toggle airplane mode briefly, or reset network settings. These steps re-establish carrier signaling. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.